Gathered here a huge lighter, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 little wicks. And this side here is going to be flint, and that flint is huge. As you can see, it's really big. Comes with the multiple ones. Okay, looks like to fill it up, open that and unspin this, and there's a lighter fluid container. Just fill this up. By the way, brass lighters are so cool. I really like that a lot. This one is a big one. They also make miniature one, so looks like it's soaked up. Boom. You see how it's huge brass lighter. It might change a little bit of a color once you use it, and boom, press it like that. Now you have a big long stick to get the bonfires going, grills, maybe even fireplaces. This is nice. I think I'm going to be using that for sure. Then close it. Probably evaporation will be pretty good, but if you're using fireplaces every day for winter time, this will be pretty useful. Boom. You see how the flint strikes on that? Not a drum, but that kind of like a grinder. This is one of a kind. One more time so you guys can see. That's a nice flame. A little torch lighter. Perfect to start campfires for sure. I love it. Safe way to do it. Let me know in comments below, what do you think? Yeah, wind is not stopping it, no problem. And this is how big the flints are. Let's stick them in here. 1, 2. Will it hold both of them? Let's find out. Yeah, holds 2, no problem. Probably won't close all the way, but I think it'll be okay. Got it here, Gerber bushcraft hatchet. So first of all, there's a sheath. Very nice. So beautiful. I really love that handle, that kind of design. Then you press on that and then pull this out and see what we got. We have right here a little container for like a, looks like a lighter, big lighter. And what is this? I guess this is just a rope storage, that's it. And then you have right here a little storage thing that you put in. I like that. Really heavy. So this is nice. We chop really good. Super sharp. Comes really nice and sharpened. And also you have much bigger one. This one more like an axe, less of a hatchet. So take this off. Again, sharpened. This one not as sharp. And what's cool about it, you see bushcraft axe. It has the handle, gear storage inside the handle. So the handle feels nice and comfortable. You just push it and pull it. There you go. So, and again, you have right here 2 little storages on this one. Pretty cool. So then you put it back in. You can add on more rope if you wish to. Definitely one of a kind bushcrafting camping axe. Got it here, bit bar. Let's see what's about. So looks like titanium and looks like a little pen. Beautiful. Okay, let's pull this out, flip this over. Okay, what makes it holds this little ball, and it's like on a spring. You can feel it, both of them. And you put it through. Boom, you have a little screwdriver, which is awesome. I never seen like that before. It's tight, titanium. Pull it out. How do we take one of this out? So you just push it through this way, put the different in. Wow, definitely magnetic. This end, you see, there's a magnet. Boom, stick it back in. You have right here a screwdriver. Also, you can put it this way. So you have this kind of screwdriver. That's cool. Or this way for, I guess, much tighter pull over here, leverage. Or this just comfortable. Is that a magnet over there? Yeah, there's 2 magnets over here holding up together. That's why it's not falling off. And then you grab this, looking, you push it right here and pull this out. That's it. Same thing this one. You push it and pull it out. That's it. You see how easy that is? And this one gonna go in this one. Boom. And this gonna go in here. And that way, whenever we pack it away this way, we don't have to worry about it at all the things sticking out. I love it. Never seen like a pen size screwdriver that unfolds and you have a nice leverage, or you can just go this way, regular tiny screwdriver. Yeah, this is the coolest little multi-tool. Got it here like $300 pen. Yeah, this thing is expensive, but it is quite unique. So tactical gear, actuator 12, is that what it's called? Let's see. Oh wow, that's cool. You just push a button right here, it's illicit. Now how do we pull it back? I have no idea. I guess you press it maybe and pull it. No, it looks like you gotta pull the whole thing up. There's something right here. Oh, okay, wow, that's it. That is cool. That's how you reset it, you see? So again, press it right here and the pen is gonna come out. Boom, you see? Now press this button right here. Gotta kind of push it hard and then pull it up and boom, it's reset the pen. Oh, you gotta push it back up to reset it. Okay, now let's do it smooth. You press it, it's on, then you press this and lift it and push it back. Wow, this is insane. High quality, big pen, very cool. One-handed, can you do it one-handed? Yeah, no problem, you can definitely do it one-handed. There you go, one of a kind, $300 pen. How cool is this? Just kind of press it up and down, close it, done. That's so cool. Snow Peak chopping board set, large. There's a smaller one, this one is large. It comes with a plastic casing, so that way you don't make the chopping board dirty. So you open this up, lift this out, and you got right here a really nice chopping knife. And as you can see, there is a magnet, just a regular magnet. It will hold in place, so whenever you lift it, it's not gonna fall out. So pretty nice. Big knife. Flip this over, and as you can see, there's 4 rubber pieces, so that way it shouldn't slide on the table, or not as much. And boom, you have right here Snow Peak chopping board for camping. Once you're ready to pack up, again, just put it in, close it. I think this is the coolest camping invention for sure. And put it in plastic. Got it here another multi-tool set, so you just press it to open it and close it, just like that. Boom, check this out. How cool is that? That's one of a kind multi-tool. So yeah, different kinds, and tells you where is what's supposed to be right here. Wow. Okay, what is this? Oh wow, you press this and this will come out. You press this and it will release the screwdriver. There's a spinning edge right here. And then what is in here? I guess you can just lift this up and pull this out. Whoa, everything kind of flies out. My fingers too big, so a little like spatula thing. Little tweezers, that's cool. And then you have right here all type of, I guess, like small electronics bits, screwdrivers. You see how it's easy to spin because you can just leverage your hand and this will spin on you. My favorite part, how it locks in, and then to release it, boom. Wow, love it. And whenever you lock it in here, gotta make sure all these things all the way in. There you go. Now it will fit, no problem. Boom.